Don't close this video. I'm not going to tell you fairy tales about writing prompts to get rich. Today, right now, in this new economy, I'm going to show you 10 technical systems, the exact tools, and the back-end strategies that people are actually using to invoice $5,000, $10,000 a month. We're talking engineering, not dreams. If you want to fill your wallet, you are in the right place. Hi, I'm Ugu. I know that was a hard start, but I'm tired of the easy money lies on the internet, and I know you are too. That's why I designed this video not as a temporary trend, but as a technical roadmap. While researching these 10 points, even I was surprised by some of them. If your coffee is ready, open your notebook, because today, you're not just going to watch, you're going to start upgrading your skills. If you're ready, let's start with number 1. First, content architecture. We used to write a prompt and paste the resulting text onto a blog. That era is over. The architects making money right now are building multi-layered workflows. What are they doing? For example, using an Airtable database as a central hub. A raw idea entered here is first sent to AI via automation tools like Zapier or Make to generate a deep research report. Then, this report is broken down and sent to different models to be written separately as a LinkedIn post, a Twitter thread, and an email newsletter. The client isn't buying an article anymore, they are buying a one-click, SEO-compatible, error-free content factory. The skill here isn't prompt writing, it's connecting these APIs together. Second, solution engineering. This is my favorite. Small businesses are drowning. If you go to them and say, let's set up AI for you, they'll show you the door. But if you say, I'll build a closed-circuit assistant that scans all your company's PDFs, contracts, and Notion pages from the last 5 years and answers using only your data, they'll take out their checkbook. This is where RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation technology, steps in. Using libraries like LangChain, we process the client's private data into vector databases like Pinecone. The result is a loyal digital employee that doesn't hallucinate and doesn't leak company secrets. Third, smart digital assets. The era of selling PDF ebooks is closed. Now, functional templates are being sold. For example, think of a Notion template designed for realtors integrated with a specially trained GPT. The realtor enters notes while meeting a client, and the background system instantly analyzes contract risks and provides a summary. Or libraries containing thousands of tested prompts optimized for a specific programming language and integrated with GitHub Copilot. People pay for speed-enhancing shortcuts, not just information. Fourth, faceless cinematic channels. But please, don't think of those old slide videos with robot voices. In today's landscape, faceless means Netflix-quality documentaries. With next-generation video models, we generate photorealistic scenes with just text commands. In voiceovers, AI's emotional tones are indistinguishable from humans. The technical secret here is not producing the video, but establishing that complex chain that designs the video's script, edit, and visual prompts like a director. You need to be an AI director, not just a YouTuber anymore. Fifth, NextGen affiliate marketing. Link sharing is dead. Now is the time to add value. Do you know what successful ones do? They scrape thousands of user reviews from sites like G2 or Capterra and have AI analyze them. They create incredibly specific niche content like the top 5 most complained features of software X. Then they turn this data into instantly updated comparison tables. When a user visits that site, they see pure, objective information filtered by AI. When trust is established, sales follow. Sixth, Micro-SaaS. Trying to build massive software right now is madness. Instead, small tools that solve a single problem perfectly are winning. For instance, a simple browser extension that just rewrites angry customer emails in a politically correct and calm tone. A simple API runs in the background with a user-friendly interface on the front end. There are tens of thousands of corporate employees willing to pay $10 a month for such a simple tool. You don't even need to know coding. This can be done in a weekend with no-code tools. 7. Corporate integration training. Companies pay tons for licenses, but no one knows how to use them. The opportunity here isn't giving general training. It's analyzing the company's workflow and offering specific prescriptions like, look, if this department uses this tool like this while preparing that report, they will save 4 hours a week. This is a combination of technical knowledge and business analysis, and it's one of the highest hourly paid jobs. 8th, local model optimization. Not everyone wants to send their data to the cloud. Lawyers, doctors, financiers, privacy is critical. You offer to run a powerful open source model on a local server right in their office, closed off from the internet. Data doesn't go out, speed is maximum. This on-premise service is currently one of the biggest open markets. 9th, auditing. Companies are afraid before putting automation into customer service. What if it talks nonsense? What if it damages our brand? This is where experts doing red teaming come in. You deliberately attack the installed model, find its vulnerabilities, and report them. This technical expertise that minimizes legal and reputational risks has become as important as insurance companies. And 10th, data curation. AI vomits what it eats. If garbage data enters, garbage results come out. Companies hold incredibly dirty, messy data piles. Those who establish data cleaning processes accelerated by AI, backed by coding languages, are the miners of the modern age. For a company to fine-tune its own model, its data must first be spotless. The person who does that cleaning is the one who finds the gold. These 10 points might feel a bit intense right now, and that's perfectly normal, because we aren't talking about a passing trend. We're talking about building a solid business. But let me promise you this is not the end. Whichever point gets the most "Ugu, dive deeper into this" requests in the comments, I will build that business from scratch, sharing my screen in the very next video. So the real work is just beginning. If you don't want to miss that technical setup video and regret it later, making sure that notification bell is on would be in your best interest. See you in the next video.